Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be organizing under our bathroom vanity. It is a mess. The left side is my husband's side and the right side is my side, as well as the 4 drawers in the middle. As you can see, it looks very cluttered, very unorganized. I bought a few containers that I want to use to organize it and just kind of have a better organization system so that when you open it, it doesn't look like a huge mess. These are the containers that I bought. These 3 pink ones are from Ross. I believe they were $2.99. Not too expensive. I love that they have a lid. This way I can stack them if I need to. This clear organizer has 3 little compartments. It's from the dollar store. And then this rack is from Marshall's. It was $3.99, and just so I have more storage space. I started off on the left side. I took everything out and then wiped down the bottom of the cabinet. I added this white shelf, this way I have storage on the top and bottom, and then I began by organizing some of the things in the boxes. So in here I put all of my husband's extra hair gel, some shaving cream, and extra shampoo. This box actually fit perfectly under the shelf, which was great. This way I was able to put more things on top. I began adding a few things back into the cabinet, and as I was doing that, I was going through the items, making sure things weren't expired or dirty, and also organizing things into bins. This side still does look a little bit cluttered just because I have a lot of extra shampoo and cleaner standing under there, as well as my husband's hand wash, specifically when he's working and his hands are dirty. I do have some extra hand towels there for him because what ended up happening is he would be working on the car and come and use the regular towels and they would always be stained. So I just got him his own hand towels, and those are like his dirty ones that he uses when his hands are really dirty. Then I moved on to my side and did the same exact thing and just began taking everything out. I went through and organized all of my things as well. I made sure none of them were expired, got rid of the ones I don't use. So on this cart are my face products, lotions, masks. I got this little rack from Aldi a little while ago and I absolutely love it. I hope I can find another one. And in this bin I have extra things like extra contact cases, things I don't use regularly. And in the left bin, I do have some extra face masks, things for when I do an at-home pedicure, my extra cotton rounds. Here I have some Q-tips and cotton rounds that I use to take off my makeup, my contact lens case, and some mouthwash. After everything was organized, I started putting everything back. I do like keeping this hand towel rack underneath. I keep my face towels on there. I like to switch them out every night or every other night, and I like to keep it separately, this way none of us end up using it for our hands. I think everything looks a lot more organized once it's in its bins and doesn't look as cluttered. Then I moved on to the 4 drawers. Again, I started by taking everything out and wiping them down. In the second drawer, I just have all of my face towels rolled up in there, so I didn't do anything to it. In this drawer, I have all of my bobby pins, hair ties, and hair clips, and they are kind of a mess. They're usually all over the drawer, so I ended up using that clear divider from the dollar store, and it worked out perfectly. I moved on to the last drawer, and here it is a little bit of a mess, but I recently did go through and get rid of products that I don't use, so I just needed to kind of organize it a little bit, and that was pretty much it. I've been wanting to get this project done for a while now, and it feels really good that it is all done. I really didn't spend a lot of money on my organizing bins, and overall it looks a lot better. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this gave you some organizing motivation. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video.